Hey there, welcome back to the channel. This video is for all of you with short hair and wanting to wear hidden crown hair extension. This is a little hair hack in how to conceal this. So this right here is what I deal with on a daily basis now that my hair is a lot shorter. And most of you also deal with this where the shorter hair underneath pops out too once you have this hair blended in. So this is a little hair hack in how to conceal these shorter hairs from poking out. So what you'll need to achieve this hair hack is a hair clip, such as your hidden crown claw clip. You'll need a little tiny elastic. It doesn't matter if it's clear or not, but you don't want a super thick one for bulky reasons. And also a few bobby pins. So to get started, I'm going to part the top half of my hair up, just like so. Then I'm gonna take my elastic and pull the remaining hair laying down into a very low ponytail. And I'm making it very flush to my neck. Now at this point, if you don't have very thick hair and the ponytail, if you have thinner hair, you could either leave it at this point, just like this, or you can go ahead and continue on with the next step, which would be to use your bobby pins. And I'm folding that pony up, and I'm just going to bobby pin the ends of the hair flush to my head so that it's flat. So now that I have that underneath hair secured and out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my crown extension, just like normal. We hope you found this video to be very helpful and it answered all your questions. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us via email at accounts@hiddencrown.com. Make sure to find us on our other social media platforms below, and check out these videos that correlate with the video you just watched.